Hey, Brian here on ProTinkerToys.com. All right, so this is the next video. We already done the Shogun RC car. It comes brushed or brushless. It's 1/16 scale, 4-wheel drive, ready to run. It's got 2.4 gigahertz. It's got brushed motors, brushless motor. It's got a splash-proof, waterproof resistor, so you can go through the water and you won't have much problems. Well, you won't have much problem. It's got four-wheel suspension. Now this is the Ninja. This is the brushless Ninja, the brushless Ninja. And oh god. You notice how just instant speed? Look at that, instant stop. Check that out. Great stirring zero. Look at how it has a complete full turn on, so you can do instant turns. Now this car has a wing to it. It comes with a wing. All right, so you can attach the wing. And it also has a wheelie bar on it to do wheelies. And you attach that to the back here to do wheelies. And those are absolutely free. Those are upgrades. And it also has an LED light system. This will be offered as a demo because we opened it. All right. This will have an LED that you can do, which will give you lights. I'm gonna stick that in there like that. If I can get my fingers in there. There we go. See all the lights? Isn't that cool? Look at that. And that's free. This LED kit is free. We're giving it to you free. Look at that. So at night you can race this, and then it comes with this wheelie bar. I'll open it up here just to show you. You attach this to the back so you can pop up, and it's going to do wheelies. Isn't that cool? That is so cool. And that's a free upgrade right here, the Wheelie Kit. And that's right, it comes with a screwdriver to attach the wheelie part to it. And that's the Ninja. And this is item 19025. There's an orange and a green version of this. So there's two variants in our website, okay? You're not going to find a better RC car for the price. I guarantee it. Look at that. Isn't that sweet? Let's do something here. We're online here. Let's get the camera here going here. Can everybody see me? Does everybody miss me? You miss me? You miss me? Does everybody miss me? Does everybody miss Brian? Does everybody miss me? We'll put the camera right here so you can see what we're doing. There you go. Is that better, everybody? That better? How's Ron doing? Everybody, Ron? Everybody fine? LOL. That's Wheelie Nice. Boomer. Okay, Wheelie Nice. These guys are nuts, I think. Okay, so this is the RC car.
It goes faster than this when it's charged, right? Or is this?
Yeah, no, it'll go a little faster. I mean, this will go fast right now. And it comes with a wing on the back. Now you just screw on. Oh, come on, Brian. Nice wing on it. And the wheelie up front. Doing wheelies. That's really nice. Like Ron said. Really nice. Really, really nice. And this has the T-connector battery. That's the T-connector battery. It's like a T connector. A letter T, as you can see right there. And comes with tie straps. You can tie down your... you'll probably want to feed that power cord through here. That's your brushless motor. I have all the parts for them. I have the whole parts, everything in your catalog right here. This will show you all your parts. I have everything available right here. Everything available. Upgrades. These are all your upgrade parts. All your diagrams showing you how to take a car apart, doing changes. Here's all the components on how to take it apart, how to upgrade, do all the upgrades to it. That shows you how you put your wheelie unit on. That's your fin. So everything is available in your manual here. And this is a new item, ProTinkerToys.com. ProTinkerToys.com. We're going to offer this unit as a demo, and you'll save a little bit money on the car. Not a lot, just to let you know I took it out of the package, so that's why we're going to do a discount. And these are available. Don't forget to like and subscribe and click the little bell, the notification bell at the bottom, so you'll get a notification every time we do video, because we're getting more and more people watching our videos, and this is becoming their favorite site, is ProTinkerToys.com, and that's what we want. We want you to. We're here to service you, okay? Now, sometimes I might not answer phones as fast as people would like, and I don't do it intentionally. It's my son's fault. That's all I can tell you. He's a millennial, and you know how millennials are. So don't forget to like, subscribe. Check this YouTube on YouTube. Check all our videos on YouTube. Like and subscribe, thumbs up, and we'll see you later.